Today I'm going to do another video. Long time no see. So I hope you're saying that you missed me because I'm back right over here. But no chit chat, let's go on to the video. This is the bag of squishies that I have, and it has lots of squishies inside if you don't see. But I'm going to start with the first squishy. I got this from Malix. If you don't know Malix, it's a really nice place. It's so slow rising, but it's actually a little bit ripped off right over here. Let's not wait this for it to slow rise. It's really slow rising, but I don't really want to wait. I don't really want to let you get bored. So here's a squishy, another squish, and let's get on to the other one. I got this burger, and it's actually really cute. Let me just squish it for you. I know it's actually really cute, and I actually wished to get this squishy. And I was actually really surprised when I found it. It's like really soft. And I made this out of a pillow, a little tiny pillow on it. Squishy and fast rising, but it's really nice. I have this squishy. It's like our, I don't know, maybe a roll something or something. It's green. It's really cute. It had this white swirl going to the end. Here it had drips going down. Here it had some fruit, but I took it off. So now it's just a blob. The fifth one is this Hello Kitty squishy, which I reviewed last time. It's really cute. I really like it. Now let's get to the sixth one. I did not review this one. I got it from the $1 store. It's like a teddy thingy, but it's really small. If you see, it has a keychain, which is really cute and yellow. It has squishy and I love squishy. The kind of good squishy. And the kid squishy. The laughing one, the crying laughing one. These are all of the ones that are on. And I got this little tiny squishy with the 2 slow rising, and it smells awesome. Here it is. It has like these polka dots. This is my favorite squishy. Oh, I just have like a blanket for the Barbies. I don't know why I put them here, but I'm just going to fold it and put it aside. Okay, now I have this squishy, which has these 2 hearts and the squishy and this face. Well, I drawed it on, and here it is. Kind of fast rising, slow rising, whatever. And let's get to the other one. Here is a milkshake, just like the coffee one. It smells very, very beautiful, and it has a straw, which is also squishy. And here it is. There we go. I have this little tiny squishy that I bought from online. And I have the last, I don't know how many, but here is from my friend. This is from my friend. I got also from Malix. Perfect. Okay, now I don't know how much, but it's a lot. Well, I have this one, which has a fruit on it. It's just like this one, but it had a fruit on it. This one's it. The last fake one, not slow rising one. Do you remember that it was actually like really awesome? I have this melon bun, I think. It's little, it's awesome, it's cute. I have this that I reviewed. These are like really cute, and even the bow is squishy. And I think we have the last one, which is this really worried one. Imagine you're in a test and you're like this face. I can't do it. I can't do it. I just can't do this face. But here it is. It's really, really cute. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like and subscribe. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye.